To finish attaching our lining to our main body for the sewing machine cover, we simply are going to hand stitch in each corner to secure everything in place. Make sure to align the corners of your lining with your sewing cover, and then just do a few stitches on each of the corners to secure everything in place. I like to do the stitches right on the seam so you don't see the stitch on the outside of our cover, or simply you can just use a coordinating matching thread and it won't show at all. So perfect, that's how we finish our sewing machine cover. After reading some of your comments, I decided to make a new sewing machine cover with some other details and features. On the new cover, I added stretchy pockets that are great to store your power cord or your foot pedal, but the most important feature is the opening for your handle. I actually wanted to add the opening for your handle, but as well I wanted a flap to make sure that everything stay covered. This new tutorial is full of finishing details that make your sewing cover look very professional and stand out. I also designed a matching fabric full of sewing notions and a vintage sewing machine that I think they look great together. And because I love to decorate around the house for the holidays, including my sewing corner, I also designed a 2-in-1 sewing machine cover for Christmas. So after the holidays, I use it as a storage basket so I can keep everything nice and neat for the following year. I love this tutorial because it's very simple to make and also because it shows you in detail how to do the finishing border. Stay tuned and subscribe to see what project is next. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!